Ever wondered if one single image could be turned into a living, breathing video, all with ad? Well, let me show you something magical. Today we're exploring Magi.Sand.AI, a powerful AI tool that can turn your imagination and your photos into cinematic mini-films. And yes, it's as cool as it sounds. All right, let's dive in. I've just opened the website, Magi.Sand.AI, and it's super clean, easy to navigate, and best of all, no clutter. Let's hit Create Project and start making something magical. From here, you'll notice a 2-image or video upload way. You can upload your source image or video from device or from the assets. We're going with image to video. It's the one where you upload a single image and the AI generates video motion based on your prompt. So I'll upload a photo, write a prompt, and the AI handles the rest. For our first example, I'm using this fun photo, a woman vlogging with a yeti in the background. Yeah, I had to do something wild for the first try. A cinematic vlog scene, light snow falling, camera slowly zooming out. Now let's explore the generation options. Duration, up to 10 seconds max. I'll go with 7s. Enhanced prompt, when enabled, it rewrites your prompt in more cinematic detail. Variation, useful for generating multiple styles from the same input. High quality, costs more credits, but totally worth it. I'm enabling high quality and enhanced prompt, and now, let's generate. Just look at that result, soft motion, background elements moving, and even a slight camera effect. All from one still photo. You can download the video by clicking here. Next, let's do something a bit moody. This time, I'm uploading a neon-lit cyberpunk street. Rainy night, people walking with umbrellas, neon reflections, cinematic panning shot. Again, going with 7s, enabling high quality and enhanced prompt. Let's hit generate. Now this is genuinely impressive. Unlike many other tools that sometimes drift away from the original image, here Magi.Sand.AI keeps the environment completely consistent. The neon lights, the mood, even the depth, it's like the AI deeply understood the vibe of the scene and just added motion on top of it. It doesn't feel generated or stitched together. It feels like this motion always existed inside the original image and we're just revealing it. That's really rare in AI-generated content. The rain, light flickers, and slow camera movement, it all blends so naturally that you almost forget it's an AI creation. And now, let's end with a touch of fantasy. I've uploaded an image of a glowing forest path. Glowing mushrooms, fireflies flying, magical particles floating, fantasy mood. Enabling high quality, 8 seconds, and enhanced prompt. Let's go. Okay, this is just beautiful. The way it holds onto the original picture, the glowing mushrooms, the color tones, even the lighting, it all stays exactly the same. It doesn't feel edited at all. It just feels alive. And look at those fireflies. They're not just randomly placed. Their motion, their glow, the way they dance through the air. It adds a layer of depth and magic that makes this scene feel straight out of a fantasy movie. And one more thing I absolutely loved. The camera movement is so natural. It doesn't shake or snap. It glides slowly like a real camera or drone shot or a dolly pan. Honestly, if you just showed someone this video without telling them it was made from a single photo, they'd never know. It's that good. So, what do I think of Magi.Sand.AI? It's powerful, it's simple to use, and it lets you create magic from just one image. You also get prompt-based control, scene variation, credit-based usage based on video length and quality, and more tools like text-to-video and video enhancement modes, which I'll cover in another video. If you made it this far, thank you. Let me know in the comments which video was your favorite, Yeti Vlog, Cyberpunk Street, or the Magic Forest? If you're excited to try this tool, the link's in the description. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new AI magic tutorial. See you in the next one.